Quick video today clearing up some of the wiring questions that people have had regarding the ignition system after installing a Pertronix electronic ignition in their MGB. So here you can see there's the Pertronix. It has a black and a red wire that comes off of it. If you follow that black and red wire up, you'll see the black wire goes to the negative post on the coil. The red wire goes to the positive post on the coil. The positive post on the coil receives these two white and green wires that provides power from the ignition circuit to the coil. This red wire provides power to the pickup magnet on the distributor. This one over here is a white and black. This is the tachometer pickup cable, and that goes all the way back through this back into the dash.